The ever-popular Honda ADV 160 returns in 2025 with an exciting new color option that's sure to catch the eyes of urban riders and scooter enthusiasts. A bold, sporty red. As part of Honda Malaysia's updated lineup, this vibrant new shade adds energy and personality to an already rugged and versatile scooter. The new red colorway breathes fresh life into the ADV 160's adventure-inspired styling. Set against the bike's muscular lines and angular bodywork, the bright red finish adds a sense of speed and dynamism. This striking look doesn't just stand out on city streets, it also reflects the ADV 160's dual-purpose design, blending urban functionality with off-road spirit. While the new color is a head-turner, the mechanicals remain unchanged, and that's a good thing. Powering the ADV 160 is a 156.9 cubic centimeters ESP plus single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine equipped with Honda's PGM-5 fuel injection system. This engine produces 15.82 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, delivering smooth and responsive performance ideal for city commuting or weekend exploration. Mated to a CVT automatic transmission and belt final drive, the ADV 160 offers hassle-free riding and minimal maintenance, a great combination for new riders and daily users. Honda has carefully equipped the ADV 160 with features to enhance comfort and practicality. Riders will enjoy a manually adjustable windscreen, allowing better wind protection for different conditions. A Honda Smart Key system with an anti-theft alarm ensures security and convenience, while a USB charging port supports device charging on the go. There's plenty of storage too, with a generous 30-liter under-seat compartment, perfect for carrying a helmet or daily essentials. The 8.1-liter fuel tank offers solid range for urban and light touring use, while the overall weight of 133 kilograms keeps the scooter nimble and easy to handle. The ADV 160 features a 14-inch front wheel with a 110/80 tubeless tire, and a 13-inch rear wheel with 130/70 rubber, providing good stability and grip. Hydraulic disc brakes front and rear, with front ABS as standard, ensure safe and responsive braking in all conditions. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and preload adjustable rear shock absorbers with remote reservoirs, offering a balance between comfort and control. Additionally, Honda's emergency stop signal, ESS, flashes the rear brake light during sudden braking to warn following vehicles, an added layer of safety. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 in red is part of the standard model lineup, priced at $2,850. It comes with a 2-year or 20,000 kilometers warranty against manufacturing defects. Stocks will be available at all Honda Impian X dealerships starting May 8, 2025. With its new red colorway, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 offers a fresh and vibrant look while retaining the performance, safety, and practicality that have made it a favorite among Malaysian riders. It's a bold choice for those who want to stand out, whether on city streets or winding country roads.